Black and white effect in After Effects, full explanation. The black and white effect is found under Effect, Color Correction, Black and White. It converts a color image into grayscale, but unlike simply reducing saturation, it gives you precise control over how each color contributes to the grayscale brightness. This is episode 12 in All Effects series. Each slider adjusts how much brightness the corresponding color contributes when converted to grayscale. Increasing the red slider makes red areas appear lighter in black and white. Lowering blue makes skies or water appear darker and more dramatic. This is what gives you creative control compared to a flat desaturation. Tint, optional step, via preset use. While the base black and white effect doesn't include tint by default, many workflows combine it with a tint or curves effect. This allows you to reintroduce a warm sepia tone, a cold monochrome, or any stylistic color overlay. Balanced grayscale conversion. Useful if you want to start fresh after experimenting. When to use black and white. To create cinematic grayscale looks with fine control over tonal balance. For storytelling, you can emphasize certain elements. Brighten skin tones, darken skies. In photography style editing, where black and white conversion is used for dramatic effect, to match shots in a sequence where color differences would otherwise distract the viewer. Think of the sliders as spotlights on colors. You're deciding which colors should shine in grayscale and which should fade. Combine with curves or levels for advanced tonal contrast. Avoid pushing sliders to extremes, or the image may look unnatural or posterized. In short, the black and white effect is much more than desaturation. It gives you full control over how each color maps into grayscale, allowing you to design expressive, professional monochrome looks.